So guys, my hair is all finished. Literally took me a couple of days to finish my hair because I was just so over it. I listen. I need to buy crochet hair. I was so over my hair. I was just so tired, and I've been studying, and But I finally finished it, which is a good thing. So now I'm getting ready. It's court eight. If you had watched if you have watched my previous vlogs, you would know about the rental scam, and I've been going to court for how many months now? It's more than a year. Like, oh my god. So we have court at 10 a.m. It's after 9 a.m. I do have a work call at 10, so I'm gonna hurry up, get to the closest parking lot at the court. I'm gonna take my call, and I already told one of the persons as well that hey, if court starts at 10. But the thing is, you don't know when your case is gonna be called up. It could be called the first case, second case, third case, last case of the day. You don't know, right? So I told her, hey, just let me know. Um, just let me know. Just send me a message when our case calls, so I can just quickly hurry up with my call or figure out something and then get out of that call. Because I have to be in court. I have to be there just in case some money I pay out because the girl need our money. But yeah, let me show you guys the hair again. Looks good. And I remember I did extend it just a little bit longer. I got me a love bomb. Where is it? That's it. I got me a love bomb here. I had one here. I normally get my pimples here. Where you see these black spots, this is where I normally get my pimples. I don't know. Every now and then I get a love bomb. Who loves me? Who loves me? Thank you for loving me. Anyways, I'm gonna head over right now because, like I said, it's after 9 and we have court. So once I finish with court, I will update you. How am I feeling about the court? If I'm gonna get some money today, not too positive. The last court date, nothing really happened because we had a new judge. I'm really hoping we're getting back the same judge that we've had since our first case, because that judge is very serious about us getting our money, and she don't play games. She don't play games. I'm gonna try to remember, write down her name, because that judge, she don't play. She don't play. She really wants us to get back our money, and that's what I really like about her. She don't play no games, okay? So, yeah, I'll see you guys after court. Oh, I need some lip gloss. Guys, so court today, let's just say I did not make it inside because I had a work that I told you all earlier. Court starts at 10. I had a very important meeting at 10, so I wasn't able to, budge out to that meeting. I wasn't able to leave that meeting, right? So, yeah, so I didn't make it on the inside. But basically, nothing happened today. So, today now we cut from the case that started, we have had one specific judge, right? And I told y'all that judge is on our side, okay? So now for the last court date that I had, we got a new judge. Today now, it's the same judge. So basically, the kicker, they could not find our file. They could not find our file. That's crazy, right? So basically nothing happened today. I think the agreement is to move back the case to our original judge, which we all are excited about. And yeah, court dates in another couple months. I'm assuming maybe November, the ending of the year. Guys, we're gonna go into year 3 with this case. It is so crazy. It is so annoying. The system here is so slow. Once you get a court date, it's the next couple of months. It's just, you know what? I'm still holding on because I'm gonna need back my coin. But anyways, I'm actually ready now to go on the road. Today is, it's not their official birthday, but this person, they're keeping a birthday event, so paid events that you have to go in or whatever. But this person has always supported me with the purchase for my business, my candle business. When I kept my pool party, I think twice they came. So I really had to come out and support. So it has been raining cats and dogs tonight, but it's finished now. It is after midnight, and I'm gonna head to the event right now. I'm actually going by myself. But yeah, I'm really tired. I really did not want to go anywhere, but I said this person, I had to come out and show my support because he has supported me. So I'm gonna go there probably for like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and just buy myself a drink and chill until I'm ready to come home. Tomorrow, Saturday, I was planning to clean today, guys, like the floors, but that kind of didn't happen. I did clean my toilet and the area, the face basin area, the bathroom, that will be cleaned next week. But the floors has to be wiped, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and then we are gonna be studying all day tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all the way up to exam, which is probably gonna be the next 2.5 weeks. So we have a lot to do, and I really have to pass. Like, there is so much stuff I have to cover, and while I'm studying, I'm really gonna pray God and ask him to help me retain the information and do well on this exam, because it's really important, and I don't want to reset costs money, right? Yeah. So anyways, the hair is looking fabulous. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's looking fabulous. So I'm gonna head out. Let's go. I need to put on perfume, and yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm outside, and I hope you guys, enjoy this vlog with doing my hair and up and down, and today with the court date. But by the way, I hope you guys also enjoy my carnival vlog. I appreciate you guys, so much. I appreciate you guys, and remember to comment, like, guys, if you don't have anything to say, just drop a heart, drop any emoji, like drop a question mark, like run up those comments, and remember to like the video. Just thumbs up the video. When you thumbs it up, that little thumb icon, it means that you like it. So come on and work with me, guys. Alright, we're gonna go outside. Even though I'm sorry and I really want to stay home on Netflix, but we're doing it for a friend, okay? We are outside just because. Support people who support you. And this person, like I said, has supported me, so I'm gonna be outside. Let's go.